Hello friends, welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I've got some of my pins here and I still haven't put the new backing cards on. So it's going to go from that backing card to this one, and I figure since I'm not doing anything else right now, I might as well actually work on this because I need to take new product photos with the backing cards that have correct info. So that is what I'm going to be doing. It has been a little bit, and now I have 20 of the little ghost hugs on the new backing cards. I have a lot more to go, and then I have all of these and so many more. It is now Sunday evening, and yesterday is when I started the vlog. I didn't actually say I started the vlog on Saturday, but I did. And as you saw, I was trying to get some of my pins put on the new backing cards, and I got through 20 before my hands just couldn't do anymore. And my hands have been really sore all day today, so I've been resting and icing and taking it easy-ish. So yeah, I also tried to make some stickers yesterday, but I needed to recalibrate my Cricut, so I'm gonna have to remake some of those. But yeah, so there were some issues with stuff in the software and other things, but I got it working thankfully, so I can make the stickers again once my hands are okay-ish enough to be able to make them. So that's kind of where I'm at. All of my prints are ready. Most of the stickers are ready. Just have to recut a few of them because the alignment was off. And then I can actually get all of my Ko-fi stuff from Let's Not Talk About How Many Months ready to send out. And I am so sorry for anybody that has been waiting on these. I don't ever want to be this far behind again, so I'm going to do what I can to avoid getting behind. I'm going to figure out a better schedule for myself, in other words. But yeah, that I just wanted to update you on where I'm at. And yeah, so I'll check in with you guys tomorrow. It is now Monday morning, and my hands, both of them, are still pretty sore. My right more so than the left, but both of them are sore. And I know it's from the taking the pins off of the old backing cards and putting them on new ones. So I'm going to have to do that in very small batches because, yeah, I can't even do 20 without my hands being absolutely wrecked afterwards for days. So I gotta be careful with my hands. I'm not entirely sure what I'm gonna be able to do today, but I will definitely be icing my hands before stream, potentially doing an early stream. Not really sure, but yeah, so I I wanted to make the rest of the stickers that I needed to reprint and cut because of alignment issues, but I can't do that today because of my hands. I have to let them rest and heal. So That's kind of where I'm at. And once I'm done with making those stickers, then I can actually send out all of the physical Ko-fi rewards. And I can't wait to do that. So I'm looking forward to that. I just have to rest my hands until they're not sore anymore so that I can actually do more stuff. Yeah. It is now after stream on Monday, and I was able to do some Stardew, but I had to wear my brace the whole time, and it did my hand started to feel sore, so I do need to rest it for the rest of the day, but at least I was still able to stream, hang out with everybody, make some progress in Stardew, and overall, I would say it's been a good day. It is now Tuesday, and I just had to abruptly end stream because my computer blue screened again, so I need to figure out what is going on, troubleshoot the, memory management issue, error message, yes, error message that I was getting, and then I also need to figure out why when I reloaded my VTuber model won't load anymore. So I've got a couple things I need to troubleshoot. So yeah, I only got to do like half, I guess like half the normal length of my typical stream. I don't know. So I got some troubleshooting to do, and hopefully I can actually get things working. If I can, then maybe I can do another little short stream later to, I don't know, see if anything is different, but I gotta go work on those things and see if I can fix things. So I'm gonna go do that now. Little update. I uninstalled one thing that I think was causing issues for my PC. Not sure if that was the cause of the actual blue screens, but guess I'll find out next time I stream. And I don't know if I mentioned that I had an issue with my model not loading. Something basically it seems to have gotten corrupted, or at least like the model file got corrupted when it blue screened. So I had to delete the model file, and thankfully I had just backed everything up, so I was able to copy and paste what I had from before, and now everything works again. So that's kind of where I'm at with all the PC stuff. There's still another thing that I have no idea how to fix, but hopefully enough things are fixed so that I can actually do a stream and not have it blue screen. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. But anyway, tonight I gotta go to bed pretty early because I have occupational therapy for my hands in the morning, nice and early, and it's gonna take me roughly like 45 minutes or maybe longer depending on traffic to get there. So I think I need to start winding down, and hopefully tomorrow I can, I don't know, do some good work and also have a good time with our company that that's coming in tonight. Okay, sorry, I'm tired. I'm gonna go relax, and I will check in with you soon. It is now Wednesday morning, and I just got back from occupational therapy, and I think we're going to take our company to a nice little nature spot. So hopefully I'll be able to get some nice nature footage for you all. It is now Saturday afternoon, and obviously, I haven't vlogged since I went out on the little hike with our company. It was very, very nice. Had a wonderful time. I hope you enjoyed the nature footage. For me, it's so peaceful out there, and I just need it. And now that the weather has been so nice, I'm gonna try and go out more often because just it helps me, especially with like all my stress that I put on myself. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed that. Um, I didn't obviously vlog because I wanted to spend time with our company and stuff. I was able to do a stream on Friday, so I did that, and my computer didn't blue screen. So that was really good. And that I'm not entirely sure if that means that the thing that I uninstalled after Tuesday's blue screen, I don't know if that fixed the issue or not, but we'll see. At least Friday, I was able to get through a full stream without it blue screening, so that's good. Um, let's see. So, the rest of this weekend, I am going to try and get, hopefully, the rest of the stickers recut because I did actually make all of the stickers for Kofi, but they weren't aligned properly, so I want to recut two of the designs. Hopefully I can get that done and actually, like, for real this time, get everything ready to send out early next week. I would really like to do that because just because. So hopefully I can get that done and then, continue working on this month's Kofi piece. And oh yeah, I drew an emote yesterday during the Friday stream. I'll put it on the screen for you. It's just, I thought it was really cute. And so I don't know, I thought it was very appropriate for me because I end up like hiding behind things when people are being really nice to me and I'm just like, no, you. So yeah, I just thought it was appropriate. But anyway, yeah, so I work on art stuff, make some stickers, try and get Kofi's stuff out early next week. That's kind of the plan. But I think I do need to end the vlog here. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the nature footage and also, some of me taking pins off of the old backing cards and putting them on new ones. Hopefully I can continue doing, if I can do a few per day, that would be great. But yeah, I'll try and include a little bit more of that for you if you like it. And yeah, so that's where I'm at. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next video.